Will AI, automation, and robotics replace all jobs? If they do, then who will buy all the products and services that these companies are selling? This is a prominent question I encounter frequently. Who are they actually going to sell to if they eliminate all jobs? This topic is important because many people don't realize just how disruptive these industries are becoming. Corporations are increasingly focused on using AI and robotics to increase productivity, which often means reducing their workforce. In boardrooms and conference calls, upper management is under pressure from shareholders to prioritize short-term profits, usually only looking one quarter ahead. This mindset pushes companies to adopt AI technologies swiftly, potentially outpacing society's ability to retrain workers for new jobs. While some companies genuinely aim to enhance customer experience, their primary focus remains on satisfying shareholder expectations and achieving immediate results. As corporations continue replacing human jobs with AI and robots, we could find ourselves in an economic paradox where businesses undermine their customer base. However, not all businesses will be equally affected. It's crucial to differentiate between them. Consumer groups can generally be categorized into two segments: those buying essential products for daily life and those in the luxury market. The first group consists of individuals purchasing necessary household items like Tupperware or cleaning supplies, which remain in demand regardless of economic conditions. The second group comprises wealthier individuals who typically aren't as impacted by economic downturns. Businesses targeting these two groups may thrive while others struggle. If you're an investor or entrepreneur, it's important to observe the products these companies sell and their target markets. Will they continue to appeal to wealthy consumers, even as AI takes over jobs? Perhaps they offer luxury items or custom products that remain desirable, like fine art, which will still attract buyers despite broader economic challenges. As we look to the future, it's evident that corporations need to balance their short-term profit goals with the long-term implications of automation. Not every business will adapt successfully, and those that fail may suffer significantly. As technology evolves, it's critical for economies to adjust, allowing people to retrain for new roles. If you're not taking advantage of these changes, it could be a concern for your future. I advise everyone to consider developing a secondary income source. Many believe their industry won't be disrupted, but the reality is that changes are happening everywhere, not just among white-collar workers. In today's boardrooms, businesses are consistently asking how they can streamline operations, often considering outsourcing or automation as solutions to reduce workforce needs. This is a significant issue to be aware of, so I encourage you to take action. Explore how artificial intelligence can transform your business at www.judyfmarketing.com. Visit this website for more details. Learn how to optimize your strategies, enhance productivity, and stay ahead of the competition with AI solutions. Visit now and explore the future of business. If you appreciate this information, please hit that thumbs up button and share it with someone who might find it interesting. Take care.